In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round image corners on Visme. This is a useful technique for adding a polished, modern look to your visuals, whether you're preparing a presentation, designing a digital graphic, or creating any visual content. Rounding the corners of an image can soften its appearance and help make your designs more cohesive, particularly if you're integrating images with text or other design elements. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step to ensure you can easily achieve the desired effect. To get started, first, open your Visme project and select the image that you'd like to modify. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for all the adjustments we'll be making. Click on the image on your canvas, and you'll notice a variety of options becoming available. Among these options, you'll want to focus on the crop feature, which is generally easy to find in the toolbar once your image is selected. Once you click on crop, you'll enter the crop mode editor. This mode is your workspace for tweaking and perfecting the look of your image. Here, you want to find a slider or setting labeled rounded corners. This controls how much of a curve you're going to introduce to the edges of your image. As you adjust this slider, you'll observe the corners becoming either more round or less rounded, depending on which direction you shift it. Increasing the slider setting gives you more pronounced rounded corners, while decreasing it gives you a milder, subtle curvature. After you've set the rounded corners to your liking, it's time to apply these changes. Confirm the crop, and your image will be updated with the newly defined edges. This alteration is not merely aesthetic. It can create a more harmonious visual flow, especially effective when presenting information in a clean and engaging manner. The last step is to save and exit the crop mode. This ensures that all of your adjustments are finalized and visible on your canvas. When you return to your main editing view in Visme, you'll see your image showcased with those stylish rounded corners. By mastering these steps, you can elevate your design projects to a new level of professionalism and aesthetic appeal. So, go ahead and give it a try on your next Visme project and see how this simple change can impact the overall look of your work. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.